Hi all, thanks all for joining these short awareness videos about ascent of machine learning, specifically in BFSI sector. So the question arises, why machine learning for finance? And that's the question for everyone, right? Because the machine learning has made a huge progress in other sectors and industries, including pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, aeronautics, engineering, supply chain, logistics. Now is time for BFSI sector, and BFSI sector is rising up to the occasion. And the question arises in everyone's mind, why machine learning in BFSI sector? What is the relevance of machine learning in BFSI sector? So in BFSI sector, as far as the spectrum of applications are concerned, it includes quantitative modeling, analytics, risk, finance, your integration science, and as well as stochastic modeling. So all these areas are touched upon by machine learning, because machine learning bring with it a new way of doing things, that is data driven way of doing things, which is very much different from theoretical and assumptive modeling, which was previously underpinning the entire analytics and modeling and quants in risk and finance. And why one should take up this as a knowledge, as a skill for millennial. Everyone has heard about the 21st century job, and everyone says, and most of these consulting firms like BCG and McKinsey put high numbers on the growth of machine learning in across different sectors and industries, but particular BFSI sector. So all the front office trading jobs, all the middle office jobs, all the back office jobs are impacted by BFSI, by this BFSI wave of machine learning. And what exactly machine learning is doing there? Banks have been sitting on a lot of data, a pile of data all this last decade. And now with all this data, all what they are doing is they are doing data mining. They are just getting into the data to bring in insights by doing modeling, quants and analytics, and that's where data driven approach is required. That's where machine learning techniques come handy to process this big data in very fast way, do data mining and create algorithms which could bring about the different decision science, how the strategic decisions are taken in finance, risk, quants and modeling. So that's where most of the buzzwords starts, but the bucks never stops there where it starts. The bucks stops where the skill and core competency is required. So anyone who wants to enter the new field of BFSI, which is driven by the fintech companies and machine learning and data science, need to hone up to the skills, hone up to the challenge, build the basic scratch up knowledge of statistics, mathematics, probability, programming, as well as a way of telling story through data. So that's where this course which we are designing is catering to all these skills in conjunction, making it a real science as well as art for somebody who want to take up this job as a machine learning or data scientist in BFSI sector. And thanks, keep tuning to these short videos, short awareness lectures, and we will keep basing upon all such topics in the forthcoming lectures.